This video is used to show you how to use the refactoring features in the Visual Paradigm for UML to move or restructure some class or model elements to different reference projects, then for you to more easy to manage. And here I have the example called SalesDomain. In the SalesDomain projects, we have 3 classes only, which is customer, account, and order. And on top of the SalesDomain, I have the SalesLibrary. SalesLibrary is referencing to the SalesDomain projects. In the SalesLibrary, I have a CRM package, which just have a CRM class to make it simple, and reference to the sales order. And the sales order is coming from the ERP projects. Here you can see there's a ERP projects, have the sales order, and referencing to the account. What I'm going to do is I want to move the whole ERP package to the ERP projects. I split to another projects called ERP to maintain the ERP model elements. Okay, let me start. The first things I will do is to create a new project called ERP, and let me just save it to the current projects folder, and let me just go to the SalesLibrary. And in the SalesLibrary, I can add the reference projects to reference to ERP. Then I add to ERP. Okay, now it's in ERP. Let's go back to the SalesLibrary. Okay, then I want to move the whole ERP package to the ERP project. I move, yes. And let me select ERP projects and click OK. And you will see there is a refactor fail. Please check the message print. Okay. Then let me just go to check the message print. Let me expand a bit. And you see there is a SalesDomain class account is from another project, so we cannot move. So for this hint, we can go to the ERP to also make the reference to the SalesDomain. I make to the SalesDomain and close, and then I just save the projects. I didn't do anything, so I just made the reference, and I go back to the library. Okay, now I move the ERP to the projects. Then I just refactor to reference the projects again and select the ERP. Okay, it would take some time. Okay, before we go to really reference, it will analyze what will be moved. So when you move the ERP class, it will move the diagrams, and it will copy, it will create a package called com in the target file for projects, and create the package sales in the target projects, and also move the relationships. And if you move the sales order, also move together. If I click continue, then it will refactor. Now you see let's go back to the current projects. You see our projects has no any ERP anymore. And you see the sales order now is referencing to the ERP. Let's go to select in tree. Then you will see there is a ERP selected here. And let me move to the ERP projects. And you will see in the ERP projects, I have this class. This is in projects, this is in projects, this is account from the domain. If you remember, I can also go to the tree, select in tree. You will see we'll go to the SalesDomain. So the refactoring features can help you to organize the projects easily. And thank you very much for watching this video.